Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete all viruses from Windows 11 using a built-in tool that many people don't even know exists. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer is fully powered on and loaded. Wait until everything is completely ready before proceeding with the next steps. This ensures that all system processes are running properly and the scanning tool can access every part of your system without interruption. Once your PC is ready, we're going to access a powerful built-in security feature. Navigate to your Windows Start menu, which is located in your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Click on it to open the Start menu. In the search bar that appears, type in Run and press Enter on your keyboard. This will open the Windows Run dialog box, which is a quick way to launch various system tools and applications. Now, in the Run dialog box, type in MRT. Make sure to include spaces between each letter. This stands for Microsoft Malicious Software Removal Tool, which is a free utility that comes pre-installed with Windows 11. It's specifically designed to detect and remove common malware and viruses that might be affecting your system's performance or security. After typing MRT, press Enter or click OK. The Microsoft Windows Malicious Software Removal Tool window will now appear on your screen. This tool is incredibly effective at finding hidden threats that standard antivirus programs might miss. Once the window opens, click on the Next button to proceed to the scanning options. You'll now see a page asking you to choose a type of scan. Here you'll notice several options, but for the most thorough virus removal, click on the Full Scan Radio button. A full scan checks every file, folder, and system process on your computer, which means it takes longer but provides the most comprehensive protection. After selecting Full Scan, click on the Next button to begin the process. The Microsoft Windows Malicious Software Removal Tool will now commence scanning your entire system. This process may take anywhere from several minutes to over an hour, depending on how much data you have stored on your computer and how powerful your system is. During this time, the tool is analyzing every corner of your hard drive for malicious files, suspicious programs, and hidden viruses. Be patient and let it complete without interruption for the best results. Once the scan finishes, you'll see a detailed result page that highlights any malicious files or viruses that were found during the scan. This report will show you exactly what threats were detected and where they were located on your system. From this window, you can review the flagged files and directly delete them. The tool makes it easy to remove these threats with just a few clicks, ensuring your computer is clean and secure. After you've deleted all the flagged files, click on the Finish button to complete the process. And that's it! You've successfully scanned your Windows 11 computer and removed all detected viruses using the built-in Microsoft Malicious Software Removal Tool. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.